Hi guys, Terry here with Good Ingestions, on a mission to get the word out that eating healthfully can help you live longer and healthier into those later years. I currently hold a certificate in Nutritarian studies. My hope is that after watching some of these videos, you'll be able to say, I can do that. A viewer asked me to share my homemade hummus recipe, so in today's video, I'm going to do just that. But first, I want to give Sherry at the Watering Mouth a big thank you for the shout out. If you don't know Sherry yet, head on over to thewateringmouth.com or the Watering Mouth YouTube channel. Sherry is the queen of the Nutritarian lifestyle and coaching, and she also recently just got a certification in life coaching. And if you're a new subscriber, I just want to say thank you for your vote of confidence, and I sincerely hope you find some tips on this channel that help make it easier for you to live the Nutritarian lifestyle. And now let's get to the video. Hummus is such a versatile Nutritarian food that's great to have on hand at all times. It's a great dip for vegetables and whole grain pita chips as a first course. It's also great to stuff inside a pita with lettuce, tomato, raw onion, and a little balsamic vinegar, or to make a great sandwich on sprouted grain bread. And it's one of my favorite salad dressing starters. Just a few extra ingredients and you've got a salad that you will really look forward to eating. I'll post a link below to a video that I made with that dressing and a few others that are my go-tos. So the amounts for these ingredients can vary depending on the texture that you like or how strong you like the flavors. So you probably already know that hummus is made with chickpeas or garbanzo beans, and those names are used interchangeably. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups of cooked chickpeas or garbanzo beans. If you're using dry chickpeas, then 3/4 cup will yield 1.5 cups cooked. Now you can cook dry garbanzo beans in an Instant Pot for 40 minutes, and you won't be adding any sodium to the hummus. Or to save time, you can use canned, but try to find no salt added or at least low sodium canned beans. Either way, you'll want to rinse the chickpeas and set them aside. Now to a food processor, you'll want to add 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of tahini, which is just ground sesame seeds, or 2 tablespoons of unhulled sesame seeds, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, crushed, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of sweet paprika. It just means it's not hot or smoked paprika. And 2 tablespoons of almond milk. Process these ingredients until they're well combined. Then you want to add your chickpeas. Oh, it smells good already with those spices and lemon juice in there. Give it a couple of 1-second pulses first and then process it until it's smooth. You may need to scrape down the processor bowl once or twice. And now your hummus is ready. Really tasty. Now you can use the hummus just like this, or you could choose to add a red bell pepper. This step is completely optional. I think it adds a lot of great flavor and some more nutrients. Red bell peppers are full of vitamin C. This is also delicious with roasted red bell peppers, but the heat destroys the vitamin C, so I'm choosing to keep the red bell pepper raw today. Just a rough chop on this bell pepper because it's going to get processed. Then give that a couple of 1-second pulses and process it again until it's smooth. Or if you like, you can keep some of the red bell pepper in tiny pieces. Now this was good before, but I'll bet it's even better now. And more nutritious. It is. And here you have it, my version of red pepper hummus. But remember, it's just as delicious without the red pepper. And this hummus is oil-free and salt-free. Now you're ready to serve this hummus as a dip with some veggies, or stuffed in a pita, or a filling for a delicious sandwich, or even a salad dressing. But whatever you decide to do with it, you can check off one of your G-bombs for the day, beans. And if you have it with greens and raw onion, there's 2 more G-bombs to check off. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Also share it with your friends so they can benefit from the information as well. And remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. See you next time.